Twinkle Buds.
A pirate's parrot, bold and bright, screams ahoy from morning till night. It squawks and laughs with feathers green, the funniest bird you've ever seen. It steals the map, it hides the gold, it copies stories pirates told with shiver me timbers loud and clear. It makes the whole ship clap and cheer. It flaps its wings and spins around, repeats the captain's every sound. When sailors snore, it yells wake up, then drinks their juice from every cup. It wears an eye patch just for show and says yo ho 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 ho. No treasures safe, no secrets kept. That parrot talks while others slept. And when the captain takes a nap, the parrot climbs upon his lap. He shouts, "I'm captain, hear me squawk. This pirate ship is mine to dock."